How to change email on Twitch. All you have to do is to go to your Twitch application directly and it will look like this. So on the upper left, you will see your profile icon there. Just tap on that. And here it will look like this. Go to settings. Now there are actually 7 options there. So you may want to go to security and privacy. Here you will see your email, enable additional account creation or two-factor authentication, your phone number, password, and so on and so forth. So go to email. Here you will see your email. So all you have to do is to actually put the email. Now it will actually send a verification to the new email. Then all you have to do is to copy that or to go to your new email, then copy the verification code there and then tap on submit. You have now successfully changed your email on Twitch. And if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your Twitch application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.